The Chute is the scariest looking, unexpectedly easy line at Sand Hollow, and this video is dedicated just to that. We'll hit the line with a variety of different Jeeps, a 1973 Land Cruiser, and even an RC crawler. Roy's about to hit the Chute, Sand Hollow, super infamous, crazy line. Awesome. Thanks, Sean. Behind the scenes. And of course, we're playing with the RC crawlers. But yeah, look at this. Wow, the Chute. Okay. Oh shoot, I gotta get my phone out and get a shot with that too. Roy hitting the Chute at Sand Hollow.
Solid. One more passenger. Now just get into the tire tracks and follow it. All the way up. Faster! I mean driver, sorry. Driver! There we go, straight. Wow, it's easy. It's easy, ain't it? Way easier than it seems. That's like a 3. Right. It is. Right by standing back there, you're just gonna walk right up it. It looks way scarier than it is.
3 on the pucker factor.
This is what you call deceiving as hell. I've been up in my TJ, it's shorter wheelbase than I think any of you guys, and it was fine.
All right, I'll try it.
35 on my TJ. No problem.
Crazy. So Roy just hit the Chute. Now we got the axial Capra underneath, and we're gonna run the line with him.
Listen to somebody. It's quite amazing. You guys are doing It's nothing. Oh, you getting that video with the little axial crawling up? Okay, you're next. Oh, he's rolling down. Ah, crunch.
Awesome.
That's quite a lift him up. Oh, look at that. Tires heated up.
That's all it needed.
This is nothing, not a single vehicle that you guys rolled up in should be.
We'll make it down with the dig.
All you got to do is don't go in that rear in the center.
Right.
You just follow the tire tracks up, you're good. The tire tracks are the basic weight of the vehicle. You bump past the first part, you're going to be like, oh, okay. The first part is way harder than the rest.
Up, so
just getting over this.
Down,
if you're too far that way, you can see where people try to go around it. And we had one of the guys in our group last time we were here. Laid his truck on the side right there, and it took a while to get him out.
Oh wow, I ran right past his camera.
Oh, cool.
Right there, just hold passenger pressure for driver. There you go, yeah. You're perfectly on it. You're so long, you got nothing to worry about. Yeah. You get to play.
Not good at traction, huh?
I'll tell you, that looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, this is a FJ80 underneath with doubler and FJ40 body.
I really watch where he went.
Look at that. And he didn't even run low pressure.
Yeah, he does. About 10. Yeah. Big old tire. It's the older
And you
VFGs.
got to just watch this driver's side. Yeah, you go straight up. Driver's side. That's it. And you square up right here, and you'll feel a little pressure.
You have a moment of blindness.
Yep.
And then once you settle there,
And then a moment of clarity.
you look out and you can see the mark all the way, and you're literally just like, oh, okay. Yeah, and it won't let you not. So if you're doing the wrong thing, it's just gonna go whoop, and then whoop, and then go back. Yeah. If you feel it just hop a little bit, don't hurry and be like, I need to get out of here. Just let it hop and shift, and it's gonna go whoop whoop. I'll do it. I went a little fast. The first time I literally just idled all the way up. And I was like, yeah. On the rocks yesterday.
Pay attention, Timmy.
Yeah, we were on falling in some big cracks. It's a
Stay
9.
that way for a minute.
Yeah. We were looking at that one yesterday.
I took the Can-Am of it.
Holy cow.
Blew the belt today. Turn. I felt a lot more confident yesterday before the belt blew. Let me tell you. I'd have rolled right up this then. Now I'm like, yeah, I'm going to break a belt.
Line it up with that black mark.
And your belt
Black mark
when you go
right
into the
there.
store. Well, no, I got a belt.
Driver.
I got a new one.
Oh, nice.
But
Right
you
there.
got to break them in.
See that? There you go. Keep going.
How did those MTRs, do they look like they're going to debate?
No.
No. Nothing on
Get
here.
it?
Nothing on this. Even back there where you were like twisted.
That's
real good.
amazing. I've never had trouble with them debeating, but they should have debeated it a long time ago.
It does it for you kind of when you're up there.
Nice.
If you mess up, it just.
No,
I haven't debeated any times.
stay to the right.
Like, he's not even air down because your tire's pretty flexible.
All I did was look at that little lip. You see that little shaving spot with the tire mark right next to it? As soon as you feel it square and you see it, just stare right at it. You come right next to it.
Good job, Knight.
And you'll be at the top like, oh. Nice. Sticking perfect.
Look at that. Incredible. Good job, Knight.
Perfect.
Someone get your picture.
Literally
back.
no steers all the way.
Straight. Good job, Knight. You kind of stayed high right there. Was that fine?
And it's cool because when you're up top,
Yeah.
Yeah, you just want to dodge that hole.
Should he have done that?
you're safe. Trust it.
No riders. You got it.
Going up the chute.
Right there.
Dang, this feels pretty crazy cool. What?
And then when you're up, you're just like
Dude.
roller coaster off.
You're just like, whoa. No way. No way. What an amazing line. That's so cool. Holy cow.
That's why I told them you're gonna be more spooked after than you are on the feature.
Oh, what?
That black line, that'll guide you all the way.
Just keep it on those tires.
Yeah,
I hate to DB.
they're fine.
Oh, they'll stick.
Low lock, right? Good.
As soon as you're over that front lip with your tires, you're square. You'll feel it hook right there.
Straight there, John. Good job.
Nice. Steady slow throttle all the way up. All the way to her. Watch ahead of you.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it, bro. I can see Shirley standing up there.
Keep
She's
it
off to
going.
the side. I just kept staring at her like if I died, it's
Passenger.
her fault.
No, he's good.
Like glue.
Oh, dude, you're getting anxiety.
Yeah.
The chute.
Trust your truck. Low lock. Good job. Just trust it.
Go.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Oh yeah, he's Dana track axle, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice love under that dude.
Good job.
Nice.
Hey,
Wow. Well, what an epic time at Sand Hollow. I'm now heading through Hurricane, Utah, and bringing back memories from last year when I was coming through this area in the Dodge Mahal. Had some issues with the dirt bike falling off, and all sorts of funny stuff happening, and went through Zion, rode some bikes. And anyways, this just brings back lots of memories coming through Hurricane here. So yeah, we'll take you on the ride back home. This place is so cool. We came here in the Dodge Mahal. Ancient ruins and homes and things.
The people of the land originally built permanent homes, and now, well, we have nomadic home options. Quite the advancements.
Thanks so much for watching. Comment below. Let me know what you think.
hit the like. Only question is, are you down to mob?